we're actually going to allow U.S. Treasuries to actually fund people's banks' toxic assets, like commercial real estate that's tanking, right? So it's like, what? You're calling a U.S. Treasury a risk-free asset? It's down 10% year to date. I wouldn't say that's a risk-free asset. So, but why do they have to do that? You have to do that because banks are illiquid. They have toxic assets. The rest of the world is de-dollarizing, right? Dumping the U.S. dollar. So how about you say, hey, banks, you can have U.S. Treasuries in there to fund that. That's built-in demand for the dollar. Now, what is that going to do? You're going to have to print more money to fund the Treasuries that are going into the banks. So I look at a lot of this as very inflationary. And I think inflation is coming, which brings us to the battle of Trump v. Powell. Who's going to win? Because Trump wants him to lower interest rates to stimulate the economy, to get growth, to get things moving again. And that would help. That would help. But if you don't, and you've got all this debt, all this money that's being printed, and people's cost of debt service continues to go up, boy, then you have a recession in this country. And this is the problem. It's like it's a hard question, a simple question you asked, hard one to answer, because what is real inflation? To me, you get rid of all the noise, Chris. Inflation is nothing more than printing money, and we're printing a lot of it.
A big boost to investors was announced that the Trump administration is going to allow you to invest your 401k in private equity. Everybody's excited about that.